guys. They call me El Patronn,
How you doing, Jason Geras?
aka El Capone. All right, guys, we're coming here from Orlando. All right, we're talking about the next conference we got going on. We just finished this one right here. All right, in Orlando, guys, off the chain. You gotta come to the Automotive Game Changer Conference. Jason's gonna be part of it. He's speaking more or less what are you gonna be saying on the conference, social media, right?
Yeah, social media. I came up with an app, Next Sale, and basically it's all about your next sale.
We're crushing it with this app, guys. You guys want to be part of this app, I guarantee you, okay? So the app does what? Everything.
The app does everything. It makes everybody accountable. It drives productivity, breeds good habits.
Right.
Makes everybody, love doing what they do. Branding, from advertising to reputation management to you name it. It does everything that you would want your people to do. And I'm excited about it. And I'm excited about the next conference.